We got fireworks and lumber tycoon. Bam! Boom! It just exploded. Today we're gonna be playing Lumber Tycoon, and look at this. There's a new update in Lumber Tycoon. If you guys haven't noticed it. And today I'm gonna show you guys what it is, and we're gonna get ready for something when we get there and see what it is. I'm gonna tell you guys what are we gonna get ready for. We're gonna buy a lot of these. Pretty expensive though, so we better get it. I just got some green wood, zombie wood over there. I got some more axes over here. See, people, my brother just gave me them. He even took out my rookie axe. Come on, give my rookie axe back. And one of these, okay. Now we're gonna go and buy some. I'm gonna make it a surprise when we get there. I'm gonna tell you guys what it is when we get there. It's some kind of thing that you use to celebrate. Something that explodes. I'm gonna give more hint later. Probably this is not a good time to go over there because it's nighttime. It's only open at, and not all the server has it, so we're gonna check this server. I hope this server has it because I don't want to rejoin another server, and please be there. It's at Fancy Furnish. I'm just wishing it's here. If it's not here, we're gonna be rejoining another server, and we're gonna keep rejoining and rejoining just to find it. Come on, please be here. We're gonna buy a lot of this. We're gonna get ready for 4th of July, and we're gonna buy a lot of this. Little like, it's about like 5 of them, I guess. Yeah, I'm sure. I'm gonna buy like 5. Okay, now it's saying thank you. Okay. I'm a little lagging. I actually had to rejoin another server because I got bored, and I don't want to wait that long. I'm not that patient. Look at how much that is. That's 7,000, and we're gonna buy 5. Oh, I don't think my money can make it. Yeah, it's okay. I can just grind again. I think we can only buy 4 because my money can't make it. My money. Oh, my money can't make it. I can only buy 4. If you guys can help me out with money, you guys can hook me up because I have no money. I'm just wasting all my money on fireworks. I'm just gonna be grinding or sell. I'm gonna sell those zombie wood because why not? Because we need money to wire this and some switch.
Oh my god.
We just gotta do this first. Bam. Now we got this. Go back to my base. Now we're gonna. Here's the fun part. We're gonna bring this home, and we're gonna buy some wires. Come on. This is gonna be for the 4th of July, and we're gonna set it up today and later on July 4th. We're gonna use it. I'm not gonna use it for this episode. I'm only gonna use it at July 4th. And we're just gonna test it out today because we need to make sure it works. I know it's a little early, but I don't want the fireworks to go away. It might go away earlier. I don't know. Just gotta back up. I'm the best backwards driver. Look at this. Oh, that's so big over there. There's a big base loaded over there. This conveyor system goes all the way up there. Those are all conveyors. It's already closed. Come on, are you close? Why is it dark? It's dark in there. See that? It's dark. I'm lagging a bit. I'm not sure why. I put it on automatic because I have it on manual. I like it when it's on high graphics sometimes, but it makes my game laggy. Okay, now we're going home. Okay, no more lag. It's all because of that base making me lag. And that base is laggy. Here's my base right here. We're gonna sell those stuff over there. Look at that beautiful base. Oh, gold axe. I don't think that's even gold. That's yellow. Okay, we're gonna buy some. Oh, why did we even park here? Oh, let's go sell this wood first. Because we need money right now to set it up. Oh, maybe we're not. We'll sell later. Let's just go to supplies that we need. We need at least 5 wires, which is pretty cheap. Not $1,000. There's a basic hatchet over there. Okay, now I can just park there and let's go. Where is it? Oh, here's the wire. And we gotta buy one pressure plate. Now we gotta get this. Where's his other arm? I don't know, it's not coming up. Uh, let's go over there and get that thing over there. We need at least 5. Oh, I don't like this walking back and forth. Oh, what's this guy trying to do? Hey, nobody glitched my truck. No, no, no. Get off, please. It will glitch. It will glitch. Bro! Bro, please leave. Oh my god. Fine. But if you glitch it, you will pay. Fine, but if you glitch it, you pay, bro. You better. I used up all my money for this. If this guy just mess it up, oh my god. I'm gonna be so mad. 25 of these, and this will be pretty easy. I know a YouTuber that did 100 of these. He bought 100 and bought it to his base. And he got it to his base, and there's a pressure plate when you push it, and all the fireworks just go off. You have to pay every time you launch a fireworks. That's the worst thing ever. I wish you don't have to do that, because this fireworks cost so much and I still have to go through that. Wow, default, yo. You better fix that. I'm so mad because you still have to pay for it. But I still haven't bought it in this account, but I didn't buy it, but my brother already played it and got it. And he already has the computers. He already set up his. I'm gonna set up mine. This is gonna be for 4th of July. Oh, good thing we installed the wood. Stop going in! Bro! You glitch it. I'm so laggy, it will glitch. Open 24 hours. Let me get some more. I need one more. There we go. Do we need custom casing for it? I don't think so. We just need this. Bam. There. Okay, now we got it. Bam. Wait, is that mine? Okay, it's mine. I'm gonna use lock shift, it's easier. I like using lock shift in Lumber Tycoon. Okay, now we gotta get more.
More?
This guy better not glitch it. Better not. He has to pay for all this. Okay, better not glitch it. I'll kill you. I'll kill this guy if he glitch it. I'm lagging a bit. Because of that base. Come on, base. Why are you lagging me? Okay, now, I'm not really sure where to set it up, but we're gonna take it off the truck because this guy might glitch it. Bro! Oh, that's the thing, that's why I didn't want him. Pay for it. Pay for it, damn. Bro, what did you just do? How much did I want to? Oh no, one of my wires just went missing. Where did it go? I lost one wire. Oh my god. That's gonna come up my money. Bro. I'm gonna set it up over here, but I'm not gonna. I'm gonna put them apart a bit because I don't want them too close to each other. That's fine. Oh, this one is blue. Like there. And now we're gonna get this one. Put it like this. Okay. That's fine. Get another one. Bro. There we go. I got brown, blue, and purple. I hope I get, what is it called? Oh, I got another brown. I didn't get red. Oh no, every time you launch it, it changes. Okay, this is the test that we're gonna do. Look at this. Look at this. Bam! That's how fireworks work. Yeah, this looks so cool. That's why I got it. Now, we're gonna put the pressure plate a little bit far away so we can run quick to see it. If you guys still haven't seen this, I recommend getting it if you play Lumber Tycoon. Oh, why did I back? Finish. Let's go get another wire. Why did I even carry it here? I don't really need to. Okay, now this one. Carry that here. Finish. We need more. Which, this one. Does it connect? It has to connect so it works. Now we have to connect it here. Works like that. I hope it works. Bro, it works. Oh, ooh! One of the problems is you pay $20 for one round, and that's the worst thing ever. Default, yo, you need to fix that up. Why do you want us to pay for it? We paid a lot just for one. Wait, one of them didn't launch. Well, it didn't launch. We have to connect it here. Boom, boom. Come on, now this one? Okay, now all of them is working. I guess not. I don't know why. Oh, now all of them is working. I'm not gonna test them anymore because I'm just wasting my money. That's it for it, guys. See you guys next time. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I do recommend getting this. And Comment down below, guys, what should I do in Lumber Tycoon next time. See you guys.